Flow of electrons between the conductors. Now, when two charged conductors are joined by a metallic wire, free electrons will flow from that conductor which have a higher concentration of electrons to the conductor which have a lower concentration of electrons. A movement of electrons कब तक चलेगा? It will stop when the concentration of electrons in both becomes equal. So that is where up to which the electrons will flow. Like a positively charged conductor A is there. It is joined by a metal wire to a negatively charged conductor B. না সরি পজিটিভলি চার্জ এখানে নেগেটিভ বলবো না, আনচার্জড রাখো একটু। তো uncharged conductor means it is positively charged. A is positively charged, so it has less number of electrons. Uncharged has more number of electrons because it is not charged, so usme positivity hai nahi. So now the electrons will flow from B to A and not the other way around. This movement कब तक चलेगा? Till both the conductors have an equal concentration of electrons. अगर यदि हम लोग negatively charged रखें और एक uncharged रखें, now it will flow from negative to uncharged because it has more electrons. The negative has more electrons. And now if we keep one uncharged and one not uncharged, one negatively charged and one positively charged, how will it flow? From negative charge to positive charge. So these are the ways in which the electrons flow. So it is clear that the flow between the two conductors can be maintained for a long time if it is somehow made possible to make an excess of electron in one conductor and a deficit of electron in the other. So this work is only done by the electric cell. एक में deficit maintain करता है, एक में excess maintain करता है. Then direction of the electric current कैसे होता है? Both conventional and electronic flow. It is our common experience that if a body is released from a height, तो क्या होता है? The body always moves from a higher level to a lower level B. That is from a higher gravitational potential to a lower one. Similarly, now if two vessels containing water up to different levels are kept, how does water flow from the vessel A at a higher level up to a higher level to a lower level to vessel B which is at a lower level. ঠিক সেভাবে, like this analogy, if two bodies at different temperatures are also kept in contact with each other, heat flows from the body A at a higher temperature to a body B at the lower temperatures. Same way, when two charged conductors are joined by a metal wire, the direction of flow of electrons is determined by the electrical potential of the conductor.